Spika wa mbunge ya kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi ni atumirĩtie gũtejanĩrua kwa gĩtĩ kĩa mũtongoria wa BARIA AKAI na mũnini wawe na gĩtĩ kĩa mũkanukia wa BARIA AKAI na mũnini wawe. Bobo nĩ nyuma ya mũkari ũmwe wa kaunti ũgwĩta koti akiuga kĩama kĩa TSP kĩrĩa kĩanenkeri Utongeria Bwa BARIA nini gĩtĩ kũbatara nĩ ũntu kinya kĩo kĩrĩ mwabũrĩnĩ jwa Kenya KWANZA ĩrĩa noyo ĩrĩ na Utongeria Bwa BARIA BAINGI MBUNGENE. TSP banenkerwe Utongeria Bwa mweri jwa 10 mwaka muthiru. Mbunge izi ni chokete yatumiria kurekana na ikaro biao mwanka nderia michara yao igachokwa ara yari au kabere. Samwe Gashima na Rugonoru.
Indeni ya ikaro kia MCA ba kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi muchi wa kathwana ara bajeti ya mugana wa shiringi bilioni 6 kathanta imwe ikurukitwe nyuma ya kuthomwa imukaririgite wa kamiti ya kigina Murithi Gaturo uranwa we MCA wa wadi ya Karingani.
6.1 billion out of which 3.7 billion is meant for recurrent, while 2.3 billion has been earmarked for development initiatives. With these allocations, the development budget represents about 38% of the overall budget.
Amwana ogu baingi ba MCA iba kuri na manto matako bakenagia kiri budget yenu. Mono nyuma ya kimancha kinene kiambia chia budget ira ikutumika kagitaka kura ya kuruta wira ira chia bangiritwe itigere ntuho inkai mwanka wa thirikari ukinyamuthia.
From the ones that we come from, we have so many challenges that need to be addressed. This house passed a budget of 1.5 billion to be implemented. By the third quarter, we have done about 28.8%, Mr. Speaker. So what does that tell you? It tells you that what we intended to do by the third quarter either was not done, or is work in progress, or that work has been done, but the contractors or the suppliers of the goods and services in this county, Mr. Speaker, have not been paid.
Toyota Assembly to kumba ku allocate 6.3 billion area yombete kwegwa ekiuma kule national government area keki yetu ya 4.3 na twena keki eno yengi yetu tugaga netunenkanira conditional grants ya milioni 800 na twena mbia cienge cia ira tugwitekia tukethirania gotini milioni 800 muge mbia ino cionthe igacha ni cia 6.3 billion iria tomba kutokichie gaila na sectors.
Kirirwaria rungi speaker wa ikaro eku John Babu na thomerete MCA Babarua ira itumitwe kuma kiringwatanironi ya biama ya Kenya KWANZA ira itejaniritie itibia mutongoria wa BARIA AKAI na munini wake amuna mugaigi nthoni wa BARIA AKAI na munini wake birabia perwe MCA bakiama gya TSP mweri wa 2 mwanka uju ringana na barua eno ira yandikitwe nyuma ya kuuria ukuru kuma kirimwe jani mataro kiri thirikari Justin Muturi ikiutha tena watho kuigwa kuri na rutere rwa BAKAI baumite kiamani kia murengo urauri wathanini.
It has come to my attention that the members of the County Assembly in Tharaka Nithi belong to the same coalition. They have gone ahead and established a majority and minority parties, which is contrary to the provisions cited above. The creation of a necessary position also resorts to wastage of taxpayers' money and payment of allowances and other benefits that these positions attract.
Indi untubobo ibongerete ururu MCA Baba Tabo Jacob Muremindeke Lucy Muthoni Purity Wanjana Nefat Ntwiga bwakwaga marupurupu maite biraba tunyetwe warira MCA Bonthe Kenya ngima baigitwe bakithetanu untubo kunyithirwa michara inkiama ya kuraithiria michara ya rutiwera bamwingi SRC kuma chiringi ngiri 140 batigwa na chiringi ngiri 145 gaki untubo Bobo michara ibotimite MCA Baba kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi bainga gikaro kiago imthi ukurukira rwa yarura ruretetwe imutongoria wa BARIA BAINGI uranwa we MCA wa wadi ya Mukothima Nyaga Marengo bakienda thirikari ibachokirie michara arayari bapegwe mbia cia uthina mbere kiri wadi tacho World Development Fund na gikaro kia MCA gipejagwe mbia imwe kwa imwe kuma kiri thirikari nene kiutha tena kagita ka araba pejagwe mbia no bichia governor.
Mr. Speaker, that the county assembly is the republic of the national government, and when we view salaries in terms of percentage, it means because the MP is paid a certain percentage of the president's salary, it should also replicate to the assemblies, whereby now MCA should be paid a salary that will be amounting to 49% of the governor's salary. But currently we are paying 15%, others are getting 13%, something which is very low.
It is even against the Bill of Rights for any person to slash your salary. Because the last assembly we started with 144 and went up, but now we are at 86. Mr. Speaker, the MCS are the bearers and the solvers of all the village problems.
Even if I'm paid $1 million, Mr. Speaker, it goes directly to the people. Because we are the network. We are the network with the voters. Every other time they are with you, they are on the neck. So, Mr. Speaker, the higher also the remuneration is done, the better for us.
Nkiripotera Wero TV kuma gichigo bunge ya Chukaiga Mbang'ombe Mbita wa Samuel Gaishma.